Hello students, here is the question. The equation of one of the straight lines which passes through the point 1, 3 and makes an angle of tan inverse root 2 with the straight line y plus 1 equal to 3 root 2 x is. So here we need to find the equations of those straight lines which passes through the point and makes an angle of tan inverse root 2 with this straight line. So we need to find the angle of this one of the straight lines that will have an angle with the x-axis. So that means we need its slope. So slope of that line is tan of that angle, that is tan of tan inverse is m minus 3 root 2, because angle between two lines has the formula m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Correct? So this is the slopes between the two lines, and this is tan of theta, where theta is the angle between the two lines. So here once we put that, we get the value for m, and this, if you look over here, there is mod on both the numerator and the denominator, because slopes can have positive and negative values both. Once we have that, we simplify it enough and get the value of the slope to be minus 4 root 2 by 5, and also we get the value of m to be minus 2 root 2 by 7. So according to the options, we choose the slope to be minus 2 root 2 by 7, and once we have that, we put in the slope value in the equation to get the equation to be 4 root 2x plus 5y minus 15 plus 4 root 2 is equals to 0. Thank you.